Trunnion kit. You guys hear me talk about it. You're fixing to see why we do it. GM lifters are pressed together with 1,000,000 needle bearings in them. Maybe not 1,000,000, but there's a lot. So each rocker has a little cap that's pressed in there on both sides. Over time, all this wiggle action, they can work out. And all those needle bearings go for a ride through your engine. No bueno. So you press that out, you get a sealed bearing. All the needle bearings right inside of it can't come out. So you put the new shaft, push the bearings in, you get a washer and an E-clip that holds it all in there. Much better design, cheap insurance towards needle bearings through your engine. So there's the big thick washers goes on both sides, clips that holds it in, new shafts. I'm going to have to move all this stuff around to press them out. Alright, so we're going to press these out. And if you look, there's a flat side, and there's a not flat side. Pushing them out, it don't really matter, but going back together, it's a lot easier to start with the flat side. So you can do this in a vise, or if you're lucky and have a press, it makes life a lot easier. I've just got a piece of tube, let me set it up there. I can push 2 out at a time if I have to empty all the stuff out. You see what I'm talking about? Flat side makes it easier to rest up there. You can use a socket or whatever you got. This is an empty little tool from Northern Tool. Part of a press set. So you just want to push in the center, and it's going to push all this stuff out of there. So keep an eye on this gauge, and you'll see it barely takes any pressure at all before that starts to move. So it's not even registering on the gauge, and that press fit is sliding right out of there. So now we've got all that out of there. Just to show you, if that keeper comes out, that's what goes through your engine, all those needle bearings that's in that sealed bearing I just showed you. So while I've got all this set up, I'll show you how to stick it back together. Get you a couple of bearings. BTR, they come with this plastic retainer in it. You want that side in, so you want the flat side facing out of your rocker. So you just stick it on there. Press it down flush. Get you a new shaft. Push it through. Plastic keeper comes out. I've already got my bearing here. Flat side out. I did this one backwards, so I might screw it up. It doesn't really matter. The kit comes with a couple of washers. I've got a ton of them up there from doing them. So what the idea here is to let this flat side, that washer's there. See how it sets flush? So you can press from the top side to push that bearing down on there. take a ton of pressure, guys. You just want to get it flush to the sides. That's all we're shooting for. So now you've got a new shaft rocker with the bearings. You'll have a washer that goes on both sides. And then your E-clip snaps on there. I don't have all that ready, so that's all there is to it. BTR, Trunnion upgrade in your rocker. Save you a little headache should one ever come apart.